If you're tired of dragging out a heavy vacuum just to clean a few crumbs or pet hair from your carpet, a carpet sweeper might be exactly what you need. These lightweight tools can clean carpets in seconds without cords, noise, or complicated setups. In this video, we'll explore the best carpet sweepers you can buy today and what features actually matter before choosing one for your home. The Bissell Easy Sweep Compact Carpet and Floor Sweeper 2484A is designed to make everyday cleaning simple, quick, and convenient. This compact carpet sweeper is ideal for picking up common household messes such as hair, dirt, crumbs, and small debris from area rugs, low-pile carpets, and hard floors. Unlike traditional vacuum cleaners, it works completely without cords, batteries, or charging, allowing you to clean anytime without worrying about power outlets or battery life. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry around the house and maneuver through tight spaces, furniture, and corners. Another practical feature is its ability to lay completely flat, which helps you reach under couches, tables, and other low furniture where dust often collects. The handle also includes a convenient storage loop so the sweeper can be easily hung on a wall or stored in small spaces like closets or utility rooms. For maintenance, it comes with dual bottom-empty dirt bins that make disposing of collected debris simple and mess-free. The removable brush roll also allows quick cleaning when hair or threads get tangled, helping maintain consistent performance over time. Developed by Bissell, this sweeper is a reliable option for quick daily cleanups without the complexity of larger cleaning machines. The Fuller Brush 17027 Electrostatic Carpet and Floor Sweeper is a lightweight and practical cleaning tool designed for fast, quiet cleanups across multiple floor types. With a 9-inch cleaning path, this compact sweeper easily picks up everyday messes such as crumbs, dust, pet hair, and small debris from surfaces like low-pile carpets, rugs, hardwood, tile, laminate, and wood floors. One of its standout features is the Electrostatic cleaning system, which works like a magnet to attract and capture dirt as the sweeper moves across the floor. This reversible cleaning action helps collect debris efficiently with each forward and backward pass. The sweeper is also designed with durability in mind, featuring a sturdy metal housing built to last for years of regular use. Its lightweight and portable design allows you to move easily around furniture, while the adjustable handle helps you reach under tables, couches, and other low spaces. Soft vinyl bumpers help protect furniture and walls from accidental contact during cleaning. Another advantage is its completely silent operation, making it ideal for late-night or early morning cleanups without disturbing others. Emptying the sweeper is simple thanks to the dual dust bins that open easily for quick disposal. Developed by Fuller Brush, this sweeper offers a convenient, cordless solution for quick daily cleaning tasks. The Kärcher KB5 Electric Floor Sweeper is a lightweight and cordless cleaning tool designed to handle everyday messes quickly and efficiently. Built for multi-surface cleaning, this electric sweeper works well on a wide variety of floors including hardwood, laminate, vinyl, tile, and even low-pile carpets and rugs. It is especially effective at picking up common household debris such as fur, hair, dust, and small dirt particles. One of its standout features is its Whisper Quiet operation, which has earned certification from QuietMark for operating with less noise than many products in the same category. This makes it a great option for cleaning without disturbing others in your home. The sweeper is also designed for easy maneuverability thanks to its flexible double joint handle, allowing it to move smoothly in different directions and easily reach under furniture, tables, and chairs. Weighing only about 2.6 pounds, it is extremely easy to carry between rooms and store in small spaces. Maintenance is also simple, with an easy-to-clean brush roll and a debris cup that can be emptied quickly without touching the dirt. Manufactured by Kärcher, the KB5 is backed by a 1-year limited warranty and a reliable exchange program for added peace of mind. The Bissell Natural Sweep Carpet and Floor Sweeper 92N0A is a simple yet highly practical cleaning tool, designed for quick and quiet everyday messes. Unlike bulky vacuum cleaners, this lightweight sweeper is perfect for fast cleanups around the home, especially when you don't want to deal with cords, noise, or complicated setup. It works effectively on multiple surfaces including carpets, rugs, and hard floors, making it a versatile option for daily cleaning tasks. The sweeper features a dual rotating brush roll system that helps capture both large debris and fine particles as you push it forward and pull it back, improving cleaning efficiency in fewer passes. It also includes 2 corner edge brushes that help reach debris along edges and tight spaces where dirt often collects. The compact design makes it easy to move around furniture, carry between rooms, and store in small spaces when not in use. Another advantage is that the sweeper requires no electricity, batteries, or disposable cleaning products, making it an eco-friendly cleaning solution. The design is PVC-free and includes parts made from 100% recycled plastic, which helps reduce environmental impact. Additionally, every purchase supports the mission of Bissell Pet Foundation, helping provide care and support for homeless pets through programs supported by Bissell. The Bissell 28806 Perfect Sweep Turbo Cordless Rechargeable Sweeper is a convenient cleaning tool designed for quick daily cleanups between regular vacuuming sessions. This cordless sweeper runs on a rechargeable battery, allowing it to pick up both large and small debris without the need for cords or constant plugging in. The rotating multi-surface brush helps collect dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and dust efficiently from a variety of surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and reach areas that are often difficult to clean with larger vacuum cleaners. The slim profile also allows the sweeper to glide easily under couches, tables, and beds, helping you clean hard-to-reach spaces with minimal effort. Because it operates quietly, it's suitable for quick cleanups at any time of day without disturbing others in the home. This makes it a practical option for families, pet owners, or anyone looking for a fast and simple way to maintain clean floors. Developed by Bissell, the Perfect Sweep Turbo also supports a meaningful cause. Every purchase helps support the mission of the Bissell Pet Foundation, which works to help rescue and care for homeless pets.